Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the image you want and making sure it's on the phone itself. Cloud-only images add extra steps. Once done, free small amounts of RAM if the phone lags and ensure battery is above 20%. Now long press any blank spot on the home screen or open Settings and tap Wallpaper. This takes you directly into Redmi's Wallpaper selector. You'll see categories and recent images. Pick Gallery to choose your photo, then tap it to enter the editing and placement stage. You now crop and position the wallpaper so it fits the screen correctly. Pinch to zoom and drag to frame the subject. Redmi keeps aspect ratio, so aim for 16:9 or your device ratio to avoid stretching. Tap Preview to inspect how the image looks on the lock screen and home screens separately, and make small adjustments if icons or widgets overlap important parts. When satisfied, choose whether to apply to home, lock, or both screens. Then tap Set as to finalize the change and return to the home view. Finish by verifying the wallpaper is stable on both screens and that widgets remain readable. If not, adjust brightness or add a slight crop. If the image won't apply or the wallpaper keeps reverting, disable Battery Saver and any third-party theme or launcher that may override system settings. Once done, clear the wallpaper app cache or restart the phone to force settings to persist. If problems persist, boot to safe mode to test for app conflicts. This isolates the issue, so you can remove the offending app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.